Hey guys, I love fast and easy recipes, and judging from the polls, you do too. And something else I like is chicken cordon bleu, so I decided to put together these wonderful chicken cordon bleu pastry rolls. They're so fast, easy, but yet super delicious. So let me show you how to do this. So to kick things off here, what I've got, guys, is a boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've cut into strips. This was a fairly large breast. And I'm going to season this up with some pepper. Notice I'm starting with the pepper first, my all-time favorite. And some salt. And last but not least, a bit of garlic powder. And of course I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Now what I've got here are some crescent rolls that I've cracked open. Sorry I couldn't show you the cracking this time, I did it beforehand. Now you can make these into triangles. I made them into rectangles because that's what we want. And I'm going to take some cream cheese and spread it down the center. Just something like this. And this is the cheese and garlic. Lay a slice of ham over the top, and you can use the deli ham too, like the Black Forest, whatever you like. A slice of that wonderful Swiss cheese over top of the ham. Boy guys, this is as holy as Swiss cheese. Another corny joke. Now the chicken on diagonally here. Chicken, I love chicken. Now I'm going to fold the long edges of the rectangle in towards the chicken. And this is probably about the trickiest part of the whole recipe. So you get something like this, and you can just play with it a bit, massage it. You know, chickens like massages. Now I should mention too that you want to pinch the dough a little bit so, you know, when it gets in the oven everything doesn't fly apart on you. Something like that. You can go ahead and do an egg wash over this. I'm not going to, but you can if you like. Now I'm going to go ahead and slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit. That's about 190 Celsius. Preheated oven for about, I'd say 15-20 minutes. After about 15-20 minutes, they're done beautifully, and just look at these guys, and they smell incredible. Can't believe they're so easy. Okay guys, let's cut into this and see what we have. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Okay. Okay. Just look at this, guys. Wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this up with my favorite green. And in this case, it's a garden salad. This smells so good, guys. And garnish this up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys, our ever so delicious chicken cordon bleu pastry rolls. You're gonna love these. Okay, my all-time favorite part is the taste test. Just look at this. Okay, watch out, tummy. Guys, I'm not fibbing to you. These are so good, and you might have thought initially that the cream cheese was a bit of an overkill with the Swiss. It's not. It just makes it incredible. I just love this. You gotta make these. For this recipe and many more quick, yummy recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. You could be days over there. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, smash that sub button and hit that like button. See you next time, guys, and stay safe.